Now Foods, Seasonal Changes, Balancing Essential Oils Kit, 4 bottles, 1/3 of a fluid ounce, 10 milliliters, each. You can buy now, this product at the best price, with worldwide delivery, by clicking the link in the description. Product Overview Description. Take a deep breath. Take me home and stay well. Being healthy as a breeze may cause year-round contentment. For many of us, the change of the season is an exciting time that heralds the arrival of special holidays or outdoor fun. But for some, these changes aren't quite so magical. If you're one who dreads the seasonal switch, take heart. Now Solutions Seasonal Changes Essential Oil Kit was created just for you. Our unique collection of natural aromas, including tea tree and eucalyptus radiata oils, as well as our Clear the Air and Nature's Shield oil blends, can help ease seasonal transitions so you can get back to doing what you love. Tea tree oil. 100% pure. Melaleuca alternifolia. Purity tested, quality assured. Aroma, potent, warm, spicy. Benefits, cleansing, purifying, renewing. Extraction method, steam distilled from leaves. Nature Shield blend. Protective blend. Purity tested, quality assured. Aroma, sweet, invigorating and camphoraceous. Attributes, uplifting and energizing aroma ideal for freshening and cleansing. Extraction method, lemon oil, cold pressed, clove, cinnamon, eucalyptus and rosemary oils, steam distilled. Clear the Air blend. Purity tested, quality assured. Aroma, fresh mint. Benefits, purifying, cleansing, refreshing. Extraction method, peppermint oil, eucalyptus oil, hyssop oil and rosemary oil, steam distilled. Eucalyptus radiata oil. 100% pure. Eucalyptus radiata. Purity tested, quality assured. Aroma, mildly sweet, fresh. Attributes, revitalizing, purifying, clarifying. Blend idea, spring cleaning, 10 drops of lemongrass oil, 5 drops of lemon oil, 1 drop of eucalyptus oil. Extraction method, steam distilled from the leaves and stems. Suggested use. Tea tree oil. For aromatherapy use. For all other uses, carefully dilute with a carrier oil such as jojoba, grapeseed, olive, or almond oil prior to use. Please consult an essential oil book or other professional reference source for suggested dilution ratios. Nature Shield blend. Add to a diffuser to purify and cleanse rooms, or create a room mister by adding 30 drops to 1 ounce of water in a spray bottle. Great blend to promote a healthy environment. Clear the Air blend. Add to a diffuser, or create a purifying room mister by adding 30 drops to 1 ounce of water in a spray bottle. Great travelers or for seasonal use. Eucalyptus radiata. For aromatherapy use. For all other uses, carefully dilute with a carrier oil such as jojoba, grapeseed, olive, or almond oil prior to use. Please consult an essential oil book or other professional reference source for suggested dilution ratios. Other ingredients. Tea tree oil. 100% pure tea tree oil. Nature Shield blend. Clove bud oil, organic lemon oil, cinnamon bark oil, eucalyptus radiata oil, organic rosemary oil. Clear the Air blend. Peppermint oil, eucalyptus oil, hyssop oil, rosemary oil. Eucalyptus radiata oil. 100% pure eucalyptus radiata oil. Warnings. National essential oils are highly concentrated and should be used with care. Caution, keep out of reach of children. Avoid contact with eyes. If pregnant or lactating, consult your healthcare practitioner before using. Not for internal use. Disclaimer. While iHerb strives to ensure the accuracy of its product images and information, some manufacturing changes to packaging and/or ingredients may be pending update on our site. Although items may occasionally ship with alternate packaging, freshness is always guaranteed. We recommend that you read labels, warnings and directions of all products before use and not rely solely on the information provided by iHerb.